if you think your job is safe and there are no technologies that can replace bits and pieces of your activity, you are getting closer to becoming irrelevant. Innovation is exponential. More and more people are looking for opportunities and building amazing software to solve some business issues. Liberalization of AI and the increased accessibility change the way in which we look at our jobs. The only certainty at this point is the constant change. So, in this context, what happens with your value as a professional? Until not long ago, if you were an accountant with 10 years experience, you had the upper hand. Now, the technology closes the gap, and it's harder to prove the added value when compared with an accountant with 2 years of experience equipped with the right set of tools. We are now competing in a world of informational workers. People are enhanced with tools that make them more productive, less prone to mistakes, and with a huge body of knowledge at their fingertips. So pay constant attention at what is happening in your industry, how others do the same job, what benefits can a tool bring you, and embrace the change. The majority of your peers will do the same only when they have to. So when they have no other choice. Be a step ahead.